Hi everyone, welcome to Monica Khurana's Academy. Now your exam is on 15 December. Let's start preparation for economics. आज जो चैप्टर हम करेंगे वो है आपका पॉवर्टी, राइट? सो कंसीडरिंग दिस कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन हो चुकी है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, assertion एंड रीजनिंग, और आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो चेक कर रहे हैं. सो क्वेश्चन रीड करो, ओके? और उसके बेसिस पे आंसर दो. तो assertion है poverty is closely related to unemployment. Reason, unemployment compels indebtedness and reinforces poverty. So क्या है आपका आंसर? Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right? Next question. Assertion, poverty line is the most appropriate measure of poverty. Reason, poverty line does not account for social factors that trigger and perpetuate poverty. So alternatives आपके सामने हैं. Yes. Option D is right answer. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Reason यहाँ पर उसके context में नहीं कहा जा रहा, statement सही है. Social factors जो perpetuate करते हैं poverty को, वो count नहीं होते हैं इसमें, ठीक है? Next question. Assertion, monthly per capita expenditure mechanism satisfactorily identifies the poor household as our country. In our country, okay? Reason, it groups all the poor together and does not differentiate between the very poor and the other poor. Also, this mechanism takes into account expenditure on food and only a few select items as proxy for income. So जल्दी से देख लो इसमें कौन सी स्टेटमेंट सही होगी. Yes. So option D, assertion A is false, but reason is true. Identify नहीं करता है, right? So question number 4, assertion, poverty and unemployment are related to each other. Unemployment leads to poverty. And your answer is both are true. Reason is correct explanation. Case based question. जल्दी से आप ये केस पढ़ना स्टार्ट करें. ठीक है? So उसके बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन है आपका कि जो मनरेगा है that provides dash days of guaranteed wage employment. Absolutely right, 100 days. Next question. मनरेगा focuses on giving employment to, बताइए, skilled labor, unskilled, manual, all of the above. So option is unskilled manual labor. Okay. Now, assertion is it was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Reason is under Manrega scheme, if anyone doesn't get work within 15 days of registration, they are entitled for employment allowances. And option is assertion is true, but reason is false. Pair match. ठीक है? सो जल्दी से कौन सा पेयर सही है बताइए. And the answer is B. That is consumption expenditure for urban areas 1000. Right? Next question. Fill in the blanks. Minimum calorie intake for poor in urban areas is, and your answer is 2400 calories. Next question, the SAIN index for determining poverty was developed by, बताइए. So it is right, Amartya Sen, right? So B option is right answer, SAIN index to measure poverty. Headcount ratio is calculated by dividing the number of people below the poverty line by total poor, urban poor, rural poor, total population, and answer is total population. In urban area, poor are largely dash of the rural poor who migrate them there in search of employment and livelihood. So आपके questions की option ये हैं, and your answer is overflow. Poor are largely overflow of the rural poor. Now let's proceed to next question, multiple choice question. Which of the following is not a dimension of government approach to reduce poverty? बताइए कौन सा नहीं है? Absolutely right. Minimum Queens program. So इस तरह का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं है. और ए ऑप्शन में एलिवेशन लिखा है. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. एलिविएशन आप लिख लेना. राइट. सो पावर एलिविएशन है, यहाँ टाइपो हो गया है. Which of the following is part of minimum need program? This one I am telling. Elevation is poverty alleviation. ALLIV. Okay, so which of the following is the part of minimum need program? Public distribution, integrated child development scheme, midday meal schemes, all of the above. So ये तो पता ही होगा आप सबको. Yes, option D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following have contributed to the unsatisfactory results of poverty alleviation program? Option A, unequal distribution of assets, improper implementation of the program, lack of resources, all of the above. Unsatisfactory result. बताओ जल्दी से. And your answer is all of the above. So question number 4, which of the following can contribute, make and make nahi hai, contribute poverty alleviation program more effective? Active involvement of poor in growth process, empowering poor people, social mobilization of the poor people, या फिर all of the above. And यहाँ पर and की जगह ये and है. Okay, and make poverty alleviation program more effective. So your answer is all of the above. Okay, now next question. NFWP was launched in November 2004, December 2003, November 2002, or December 2005. Food for work. And your answer is November 2004. So question number 6, which of the following programs provide assistance to elderly people are given under WAMBE, NSAP, PMGY or PMRY? Elderly people, कौन सा program है? Option B, that is NSAP. ठीक है? Now next question. Those who regularly move in and out of poverty are called, कौन से type के poor होते हैं? Chronically, churning, occasional or transient? And your option is churning poor. This is right answer. When was the task force on projection of minimum need and effective consumption demand was formed? 69, 79, 89 or 1999? Task force on projection of minimum needs and effective program. And your answer is 79, 1979. Okay. During emergency आप याद रख सकते हैं. Which of the following is the poverty determination measure? Headcount ratio, SAIN index, poverty gap index, या फिर all of the above? Poverty determination measure. एंड योर आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। जिनको पता ना हो, एनसीईआरटी में ये गिवन है और इसके एक्स्ट्रा नेम वहां पर मेंशन है। ठीक है, आई थिंक थर्ड और फोर्थ पेज पे चैप्टर के। मोर देन डैश ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स पुअर लिव इन इंडिया। हाफ, वन थर्ड, वन फोर्थ और वन फिफ्थ। And your answer is one fifth. This is absolutely right. So यहाँ से आपके ये questions लिए गए थे and I hope poverty का जो आपका revision है वो काफी useful रहा होगा। Poverty is not made by God, it is created by you and me when we don't share what we have. Mother Teresa. So ये एक ट्रेंड है इसको एंड करने का। जरूर कमेंट करना कि आपके लिए यूजफुल है या नहीं। नेक्स्ट आप क्या चाहते हो इकोनॉमिक्स की स्लाइड में, प्लीज डू मेंशन। ओके, thank you so much for watching it guys, and if you find it useful please share it with your friends. Bye bye. Take care.